Hello everyone, welcome to Selenium. Today's topic is alert text. Alert text is the message displayed inside a browser alert. Important points are alerts are outside the DOM. CSS or XPath cannot read alert text. Selenium must use switch to context using switch to alert. Alert text is read using the text property. Validating alert text is commonly used to verify warning messages, confirm delete actions, validate error confirmation. In the sample script, browser alert is displayed. I am switching Selenium focus to the alert and then reading the alert message using text. This helps validate the alert content. After validation, I accept the alert. So let me run, then you will have a better understanding. Once the page is loaded, I click on the button JavaScript and I am a JS alert, JavaScript alert that is been printed here, and alert is handled successfully. So if I press enter, application will be closed. So this is how alert text is read and will validated in Selenium. We have read the text and also validated. Alert text is accessible only after switching to context. Validating the alert text is common assertion in real projects. No switch means no access to the alert. So best to remember is switch and then read and then handle. First we have switch, then we have read and then accepted.